nom, nom. Hi mga ka-stories! Welcome back to our vlog! My name is Rommel for the hashtag RC Stories. So before anything else, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga videos. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to make a popcorn. So I have here a popcorn cheese. So this popcorn cheese from American Garden, that's it, is you are just going to cook through the microwave. So this is like a microwave popcorn, okay? See, it's a popcorn cheese, so it's an instant popcorn. So if you're going to open the American Garden popcorn cheese, the microwave popcorn, so the inside you have three like this. 3 packs of like this, 3 popcorns. Okay, so what are you going to do first? So make sure you have a microwave at home. Kasi hindi ka makakagawa nito if wala kayong microwave sa bahay. So first instruction for this, so you're going to take 1 pack of this. Okay, and then remove plastic cover and unfold the bag. So you first remove the plastic cover. Oh my god, it's so hard. Okay, that's it. Remove the plastic cover, kalas, which is finish in Arabic. And then unfold the bag. So you're just going to unfold this bag. So that's it. So this one is the bag of the popcorn. See? Done. Next step is place bag instruction side up. So where is the instruction side up? So this one is the instruction one for the bag, popcorn bag. So this one is the front. See, the cover thingy. And this one is the instruction bag. So if you're going to put it in the microwave, so you're going to do it like this. Okay? So place bag instruction side up, so which is the side up. This one is the instruction area, which is going to do side up. Okay? In center of the oven or microwave. Microwave on high full power for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? You also have some instructions here on the bag on how to do it. Okay? Just going to read and follow the instructions. Okay? You just have to wait for it. Listen carefully. So you have also some instruction here on the side. This one, it has different languages. Okay? So listen carefully. Stop the microwave when popping slows to 1 to 2 seconds between the pops. Okay, do you understand that one? So every pop, so if it stops from between 1 to 2 seconds, so you're going to stop the microwave. So meaning there's no more like corn left to be popped inside. Okay, and then I will show you later on how it will transform into like a balloon thingy, this kind of bag, if all the corn is being popped. Okay, be careful not to overcook as popcorn will scorch, and then handle hot bag carefully for optimum flavor. Shake bag before opening. Open by tugging top diagonal corners. Okay, let's check it in the microwave and how to do it. Now you are going to put the popcorn bag inside the microwave. So as what we have said a while ago, instruction will be placed side up in the microwave like that. And close, set. But this time we're going to put it in 3 minutes, and then we're just going to listen on the corn being popped if it has like being stopped or between 1 to 2 seconds. So we did not stop. Start with 3. Okay, and on. go, the microwave popcorn. Now you take it from this side kasi mainit. So careful para hindi mapasok. Yay! There you go mga ka-stories! So the popcorn is finished. This one. So you just have to handle bag carefully para hindi mapasok. For optimum flavor, shake bag before opening. So you just have to hold like this and then shake, shake, shake. Upside down. Yay! Listen to that sound. And then, as what we have instructed a while ago, open by tagging top diagonal corners. So this one are the corners. We have 4 corners here. There you go, this one, this 2, and then this other 2. So you just have to open like this. And then on the other side, on the other diagonal. Open. There you go. It's finished. Our popcorn is finished. So you just have to transfer it to your bowl or any container you want to put for your popcorn. Yay! So it's a cheese flavor popcorn. Let's eat mga ka-stories! Okay, so we're done with our popcorn. So I guess that will end our video. So see you again next time mga ka-stories. Once again, I am Rommel for the hashtag RC Stories. For you. Bye-bye. Nom 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 nom.